As an installer, Tim plans PV plants. He discusses the details with his customer on site. Tim shows him the performance and possibilities of the PV plant. Tim has to record all data precisely and plans the individual components of the various manufacturers in his office, so everything runs smoothly during the assembly. Unfortunately, every manufacturer has its own planning processes and software, and the data must always be entered separately. That takes Tim to his limits. But now, Tim has discovered the new feature K2+. Here he can enter his data once and calculates the mounting system as usual, and with one click, also the inverters, because Base can transmit the data to the tools of the inverter manufacturer without entering a second time by Tim. This saves Tim a lot of time he prefers to invest in the quality of his work. Tim's customers also appreciate this. Do you also want to plan PV plants more efficiently? Then try K2+ now.